You are managing an Azure SQL database named DB1. You require a configuration that guarantees automatic failover without any data loss in the event of a primary data center outage. Your objective is to achieve this with the most cost-effective solution available. Which service deployment model and pricing level should you select? Option A, Azure SQL Database Premium. Option B, Azure SQL Database Serverless. Option C, Azure SQL Database Basic. Option D, Azure SQL Database Standard. This question tests your understanding of high availability in Azure SQL Database. Specifically, it asks how to maintain zero data loss during a full data center outage. You need to consider how different service tiers handle redundancy and failover mechanisms to ensure business continuity without downtime or data corruption when regional infrastructure is compromised. In my view, the correct answer is Azure SQL Database Premium. This tier supports zone-redundant configuration, which uses synchronous replication across availability zones within the same region. This design is critical because it ensures that if a specific data center or zone goes offline, the database can fail over automatically without losing any committed data. Explain which answer is correct and why. Other options like basic and standard tiers generally lack the built-in high availability guarantees necessary for true zone-redundant failover. While serverless is useful for unpredictable workloads, it doesn't provide the same structural failover protections as the premium or business-critical tiers. A helpful exam tip is to always link zone redundancy and zero data loss requirements with the higher performance tiers when evaluating Azure SQL architecture questions.